What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Toyota remote. This is a 3-button version here, but it's going to be the same regardless of how many buttons you have on the front. So this takes replacement battery CR2032. So we have a replacement battery, and then I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to get this open. You can also use a coin, such as like a quarter or a dime, in this slot, but like I said, I'm going to go ahead and use this flathead screwdriver. So I want to put it in that slot and then pop it open just a little bit like that. And once we go ahead and open it up, we can actually see our battery right here. So take the old one out. We'll grab our new one, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up. And then just snap it back together. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.